I don't remember, baby. Let me see, Xavier.
Oh, this is named Xavier.
Cool.
Pretty Bryson.
Batman! You like that Batman, don't you?
Look at his eyes. You see his eyes?
Let me see. Oh, no.
My eyes look like this, and I close my eyes. My eyes go back. I see my eyes, some of my eyes go bubbly. I actually open it. I can lift it.
Just wait for Mommy to come back in, okay? Look, Bryson. Bicycle?
Hey, look.
Huh? That's for Bryson. It's a sit and spin. Santa knows where you live. He knows what toys you want. You don't think he knows your name?
I can open it now.
Wait for Mommy, okay?
Mommy's already in here. This is Furby too. Hey guys, this is Furby too. This one. This one are two.
Here.
This for
Film.
this year. I like it.
Can you film? I'm going to go look.
Hey, Mommy, that's... Now I can open it.
Can you hold on? Let Daddy look real quick.
A couple minutes? All right.
This is for me and Bryson. That one's for me and Bryson.
Right, you want to open that first?
No, I want to open this
Or-
one. This one's...
Oh, Bryson, can I get a warm compress for your eyeball?
Yeah. What happened? Myself. I feel myself.
You what?
Something turns myself.
Oh.
Poke my eye.
When did you poke your eye?
Cause you saw a monster in you or something?
Can I see your eye? Come here. Come over here.
Oh.
You probably have like...
There's an old thing on right here. On these things. Yeah. All these presents are for Lyson and me. Lyson, that's for you. Yeah, it's for me and Lyson. Why? Because Santa wants we want kids always get Santa.
You must look at it contest. There's no way to go together. Hey! Oh, cookies. And the carrots are mostly gone.
Santa eat them!
Cool. Yeah, drink the milk too. I'm pretty sure it was Santa.
I want to open it.
Alright, open presents, guys. Dog.
I think that's for Xavier.
Underwear.
I think the underwear was for Xavier. I think the socks were for Bryson. What does the name say on it? That's
right.
right over Xavier and Bryson. And the
Give Mommy the paper, okay?
Here, Mom. Yeah.
Alright, look,
Daddy.
look.
All right, take the socks and underwear and put them
Look at
somewhere.
the name. On the lip.
Here. Yeah, you go put them in your sock and underwear drawer?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's asking.
Here, oh, baby, come here.
No.
Maybe have 2 guys.
Yeah, he's got something going on. Not surprised with him all sniffling, and it's all right for now. Let's not worry about it now. Get to it after you're done with presents.
This one next.
What's it say?
Here's the 4.
For Bryson and Xavier. That one's for both of you guys. Ah, good rip, Bryson. Crisscross crash.
Yeah! See? Crisscross crash. I want to open it.
Alright, well, that's
Let's open up the other presents first.
Oh.
Give me the paper.
Give her the paper. Give Mommy the paper. The wrapping paper.
I get to. This one's just for me.
Okay. Hey, there's more over there. Can you bring all those other ones on the other side out? Wait, don't touch those, Bryson. Bryson. Give one for Bryson. What's Bryson's name?
There's more over here behind the sentence pen.
I think those are Bryson's over there. Are those all your names?
This is license.
Okay. Give that one to Xavier, Bryson. The one that's in your other hand. Yeah, I think that's for, where's that, what number name is that?
Laser.
You want to open those?
Yeah. I'll open this one.
Okay, good.
I'll open.
Zuzu pet. Star Wars guys.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right.
Xavier, can you bring Bryson's gifts out?
There's more over there next to the. See them? Can you bring them all out?
I can't do it.
Just yeah, you can. Come on. Just put them all out.
No, that's Xavier.
Those are Xavier's, Bryson.
Bryson, that's Xavier. That's Xavier. Yours are over here.
Wait.
Yeah, that one's yours. That one's yours. Hey, that one's there.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. Okay. Go ahead.
What'd you get, Bryson?
You know what it is?
It's a doctor's kit?
Yep.
That's what you need.
Daddy.
What?
Licensing therapy. Yeah.
You guys have more to open. Guys, there's more toys, more presents to open. Bryson, this one's for you. You got a Zuzu pet too? Ah. Xavier, you got Star Wars? What'd you get? Oh, you got General Grievous.
You got one for that?
What's me?
Like you. Let me see. You got, what's your names? Oh, you got the clone trooper.
The orange clone trooper, your favorite color.
That guy.
And you got the super battle droid.
Mommy, that guy or that guy? I couldn't go for him. Oh.
Alright, you got more presents to open.
I see this guy. A little dog.
You got more
Yeah,
presents.
present left.
Another present.
I can open this one. Oh, I got one big out. What is this?
Oh, there's your actual Zuzu pet.
Wow, I want to do this.
Cool. Pants. That's good. You needed some pants, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, put him up. Oh, what a good boy.
Do you want to show Bryson how to use the sit and spin?
You want all that stuff out? Here, you want? You can. I'll get this stuff out there.
Here, Bryson, you see that thing there? That's Batman. No, you see it right there. That's yours.
Gift from Santa Claus?
That one's from Santa. You know what you do with that?
I don't
Here.
have to.
Here, bring it over.
I don't have to.
Oh, you gonna show him how? Watch, Bryson.
I can even do it outside and do it inside.
That's an inside toy. You just take the sign off of it.
Is the sign there?
Yeah, he read it earlier. Here, take the sign off, Bryson. Give Daddy the sign.
Oh, what's this?
There you go.
Oh, God, Mommy, look at it.
You can spin and spin and spin.
You can spin all day.
Present from Santa Claus.
And David, I think you have a big present from Santa back there, don't you?
See the big gift for you from Santa?
Can you bring it out? Wow. Is it the right size? Santa even got your helmet?
Oh.
He brought the helmet out of the garage?
Bicycle. It's Sally's bicycle.
Isn't that cool? You like it? It's blue. It's Star Wars. You like it?
I can't move.
Well, it's hard with bare feet.
Bare feet.
Mm-hmm.
Why do you have bare feet?
Because you're not wearing any shoes.
Bare feet.
So, do you like the bicycle?
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Say thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
All right, boys.
Your Zuzu pet?
Love you guys.
Yeah,
See you later.
more cousins.
Bye.